got the
Leaf of
of life and juice about 3 leaves. I just beat it, like just beat the green
You
leaf,
can squeeze.
squeeze it out, mix it with honey, and give her about 5 or 7 ml. And for the entire evening and night, there was no coughing. Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this new and exciting series, I'm looking at herbs, Jamaican herbs for particular ailments, special conditions. And we're starting with cold and flu. Today I'm back at Miss Watkins. Remember that lady, the breadfruit flower lady? Yes man, she's the same one. I'm back at her place. She's gonna outline 7 potent Jamaican herbs for cold and flu. One of them is a surefire one, and I'm gonna share all of that with you right now. Well, here she is, guys, Miss Watkins. Rastafari never grow old, and today we're looking at the 7 potent medicinal herbs for cold and flu. The first one is
Birch, or otherwise they call it never die or quick stick.
And traditionally, how do we use it, Miss?
You can use this by steeping it and drinking it as a tea. You can drink it as a tea. You can also make as a tablet.
So I have cold. How much of that do I use?
You can use this amount to make a cup of tea.
Okay, so that's okay. And you can sweeten if you want it. For me, who love the sweeten it. For you who don't use sugar, you don't need to put anything in there.
No, you take in medicine.
Okay.
You take in medicine, you don't sweeten.
All right. So that's a quick stick, otherwise known as never die. Number 1, or birch. Number 2,
we got Chiganet here.
Chiganet. Now this is brand new to me. As I see this bush or herb, but it's usually just wild. This is a Chiganet. All right. That's the only name we know it as locally. Right. The scientific name is on screen as well, guys. Tell me how you use this one now, Miss Watkins.
This one is still use it to make a tea. You can just use 3 leaves to make a cup of tea.
And drink.
And drink.
And again,
whether you want it warm or you want it cold. This is
all right.
Chiganet.
Number 2, number 3.
Next is John Charles.
John Charles, and this is how the John Charles look. Tell me about this herb. This is a popular herb here in Jamaica, you think?
Very popular, very popular. You find them mostly in the cow camp, and the cow then would eat these herbs.
And the cow eat it as well. Okay.
Eat them all. So you would just use about this amount to make a cup of tea.
Oh, that's 1 prig, you call it?
That's a limb.
1 limb, okay.
Yes,
a cup of tea.
Steep it and drink.
Is it dry or?
You can pick them and quail them. It's not nice to use green herbs because when you use green herbs, they give you bilious. So you use them
quail or dried or
dry.
All right. So that's sorry, what is it?
John Charles.
John Charles. All right. That's number 3. Number 4.
Vervain.
The Vervain, the good old Vervain. Now I know this well. All right, and this is we're in the dry season now, so that's why they're looking a little bit like.
You have 2 different types. You have the male and the female. One of the leaf is big and one is small. So you have a male and a female. So this is also good for the cold. So you can use this to make a cup of tea also. Just steep it, and then you drink whether warm or cold. You can drink it like for 5 days.
Well, hopefully the cold gone by that time, though. But you can use it up to that day. Yes. Okay. All right. So that's a Vervain. And there also we're talking off camera just before you get number 5. Is that number 5 or number? Yeah, number 5. We said many of these herbs can be used for several other ailments, right? But we're just focusing right now on the
cold and
on the cold. All right.
This is Susumber. And this is Susumber can use to make a tea also.
Susumber leaf.
Yeah, this is a leaf.
So 2 leaves as you have it there?
2 leaves, because sometimes the leaves are bigger. Remember, because it's dry now. Sometimes you have the leaves bigger. So you just pick it, let it quail, make your tea, make your cup of tea. You steep it and you drink it. Like try 5 days same way. And that's it. Your cold will be gone.
All right. And this is coming from the Rastafarian. Natural. Rastafari. Yes. This lady don't use nothing.
No sugar, no salt.
No sugar, nothing commercial, right, guys? No sugar, nothing commercial. In the hills of Westmoreland, Jamaica. Number 6.
That is Ramgoat National.
Or otherwise known as Ramgoat Dashalang. I know it as Ramgoat Dashalang.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a very common cold medicine. Yes.
Common cold medicine. Yes, yes.
And you can use this amount to make a cup of tea.
Big up Miss Marlene, guys. Miss Marlene and her team from St. Mary. St. Mary, we did a special feature on this particular herb here, Ramgoat Dashalang. And there's a link in the description to that as well. So bigger up on this if you want to learn more about this herb. Ramgoat Dashalang, powerful herb for impotence. But what Miss Watkins is saying, soft-spoken Watkins is saying that it's also good for cold.
Yeah.
All right, good. So same like that amount, Miss Watkins?
Yes, this amount can make a cup of tea.
And you said
more than this. Yeah. Just dry or you quail it, steep it in, and don't boil it. Just steep it and you drink. You can take it.
All right. And just before we go to number 7, I'm gonna ask you guys if you're getting any value from this. Make sure you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I need you now. Subscribe. We do a lot of this stuff talking about the real Jamaica in general, but we look at herb. We had a special feature on herbs, and now we're looking at a special series on ailments, and with this one called herbs for cold and flu. And so we are at the big one, number 7, the big boy. Number 7
is Leaf of Life.
Yes, man.
It's an all-purpose herb, and it is good for the cold and the flu.
All right, I have a personal testimony.
Also, it's also good for other ailments, a lot of ailments, anxiety, pain, asthma, bronchitis, you name it. And you can use it to make a tea. You can eat the leaf. You can eat.
Oh, you can eat the leaf as well. Oh,
yeah, you can eat the leaf raw. You can warm the leaf and juice it out and drink it for the cold also. We also use it to make capsules. So we make capsules from it. Here we go with our Leaf of Life capsules. You take 1 capsule twice per day from this Leaf of Life.
So somebody with the cold is how much, how do you recommend?
You can put just 5 leaves. Sometimes you
regular
get the
5
leaves,
average leaves.
Right. Sometimes the leaves are bigger. To make a cup of tea, use 5 leaves. Or you just juice the leaf if you want. Right. And you make a cup of tea and you have it twice per day. You can have 2 of the tablets, 1-2 times a day.
1 tablet 2 times a day for the cold.
Yes, for the cold or flu.
All right, guys, ready for my testimony? Give me a thumbs up now. I say it's my testimony, but it's actually my daughter's testimony. Nyla, big up Nyla. Right now, she had a horrible cold. Went to the doctors, got the antibiotics and stuff, and she got better. She felt better, and for about 3-4 days. But after that again, a cold came back. So I'm not sure she got a new one or it's the same old one. And I said, I know antibiotic. You don't take antibiotic behind each. So quick, right? So I said that I need to get some herbs, man. I said we use up the herbs and say I got the Leaf of Life and juice about 3 leaves. I just beat it, just beat the green leaf. Squeeze it out and put honey in there. Somebody told me about it. Mix it with honey and gave her about 5 or 7 ml. And honest to God, there was, for the entire evening and night, there was no coughing. And he had a tough, dry, hacking cough. That's my personal test. I say it's personal because if it's not my daughter, it's for me. Yeah. Yes, man. So that is my testimony, and that is why I call it the surefire one.
Yes, it's Leaf of Life. Remember the name of it? Leaf of Life.
And you agree with me that it's a powerhouse, right?
Yes, it is.
Leaf of Life, guys. So, 7 potent medicinal herbs for cold and flu in Jamaica. Summarize them again. Let's mention the name again, miss.
So we say Birch. We say Chiganet. We have Janchas. We have the Vervain. We have Susumber. We have Ramgoat National and the Leaf of Life.
And the Leaf of Life. There are many more, but these we consider to be some of the strongest ones, or the good ones, or at least the ones that we have proven to commonly used for colds in Jamaica. Check them out. The scientific names are also in the description, guys. Miss Watkins, though, she actually has she mentioned it earlier. She has a product. She has the Leaf Alive in tablet form. So just show them again and remind them.
Capsules.
Yeah, remind.
Where you can take 2 capsules, 1-2 times a day. Anyway, it's good for cold. It's good for bronchitis, pneumonia, asthma,
lung issues,
and it's good for also anxiety and so on.
Remind them how the people can contact you if they need to
by calling 1-876-863-8076. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Rastafari never go.
They're all over the place.
My-Island-Jamaica, you will find Miss Watkins.
Absolutely. And all the contact information is in the description as well.
The cassava flower.
Yeah, she does a wide range of products.
And this is good for the cancer, you know. And we have the all-purpose spice, 19 different herbs. Here we have our roots tonic, powerhouse tonic. This cures all other diseases. We have the coconut oil. We have the black castor oil.
Hold on, the coconut oil
this is the cold pressed coconut oil, and this one boil.
Okay.
And here we have our castor oil. We have a skin and hair treatment.
Original Jamaican black castor oil. Say it, man.
Good for any dry scalp, dandruff, any pain you have. This can remove pain. It's also, I use it on my skin. I use it in my hair. Yep.
Awesome. And then you have the roots tonic here.
And then we also have here Irish mush and sorrel drink. We have Irish mush and sorrel Irish mush drink. We have a drink that is made from casa banana, pineapple, star fruit, you name them, a lot of fruits. We have them all. We have the turmeric here. You know, turmeric is good for cancer, it's good for your skin, it's good for the hair. It has so many potent. We have the turmeric and ginger over here also. Use them to make a paste for your face, or you use it to cook your vegetables. You can put it in your tea, you can put them in your porridge. Just about anything you can use them for.
Awesome. Here's a bit of bonus information for you as well, guys. Miss Watkins want to tell you that there is the
turmeric and the ginger. You can also use it to make a tea. It's good for the flu also. 1 teaspoon to a cup of water. And put to steep, and you can drink it for the cold and the flu.
All information, all the links, all the contact information, and all resources related to these products, guys, are in the description below. That's it, guys. 7 traditional Jamaican herbs for cold and flu. Which one of them jump out at you? Are you familiar with any of them? I'd love to hear from you. Share it. And there's another video I need you to see. 60 Medicinal Herbs of Jamaica. We did a tour at St. Anne. Miss Broderick and her husband, we did a tour there capturing 60 Medicinal Herbs of Jamaica. If not yet seen, you definitely need to see it. Check it out. Link in the description, and it's in the card above. See you in that one.